There we go. Nice, getting those hands back each rep. 5. Hey. 5 more. Last 3. There we go, Madison. 2 more. And last one. Good. And we'll go right on our AirDyne bike. Same deal as that first set. 30, 20 seconds, 15 sprint, and you're good. Give yourself about a 20-second warm-up. Got that peach juice next to you, you're good to go. All right, we're gonna ramp it up in 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. As hard as we can on there. There we go, really pumping those arms, nice steady breathing. Last set here, Madison, let's get through it. Good. 15 seconds to go. Keep that pace up. Last 10 seconds. Really pushing, really pushing. Let's go. 5 more seconds, almost there. All right, 20 seconds. Nice steady pace. Keep that moving. Nice.